What's going on, crypto world? This is the Crypto Buyer podcast coming to you from Woodfield Capital. We are going to dive into the market today. I'm going to go over the crypto space, go over some things that are up and some things that are down, and I have some very, very interesting news that I received yesterday from a friend, and I will be bringing that to you at the end of this podcast. So, jumping right into the markets, the market is super healthy at 170. So, we're at 170 billion in the market, which is great, very stable. Yesterday, towards the end of the day yesterday, here in the States, altcoins made a major surge. People were pulling their money out of Bitcoin, taking their profits out of Bitcoin, and dumping them into the altcoin space. So today, the 24-hour change, Bitcoin is down almost 2%, still at a very good price, up over 5,000 at 57.19. I see that price being the stable price for Bitcoin. And I see it continually going up. So if you want to get into Bitcoin, again, guys, always do your due diligence before getting into any crypto. Do not take my advice as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am just giving you insights from what I see in the crypto space. But out of the 100 cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, there are only 4 coins that are down today. Okay, there is a lot of green throughout the market. So if you did well in buying coins when they are down, you are in the green today. All right, two coins that I do want to talk about. I talk about these a lot. And this is a little bit of news. This is not the big news that I'm going to give you later in this podcast, but this week, going into November, the word is that China is going to be releasing their thoughts on regulations of ICOs and cryptocurrencies. And I believe 100% that China's not going to miss out on this, guys. Okay, so there's going to be some type of regulation, yes, but they're going to eventually give the thumbs up. Okay, so once they give the thumbs up, there are certain things that I would have my eye on. One of those being in NEO, which made a 13% run up yesterday, broke over 30. And there's a lot of people saying that this is definitely a $100 coin. I've heard people say this is a $1,000 coin. This is a very comparable platform to Ethereum. People call it the Chinese Ethereum. So do with that what you may. I can easily see that being a 3-digit coin here, especially if China comes out and says, hey, you know what, we're going to do a little regulation, but ICOs are cool, cryptocurrencies are good. I see this going to 3 digits easy. Okay, another coin that if you follow my channel, you know I'm big on is OMG. Same kind of deal. It's a Far East coin. Made a nice run yesterday. It's up 15%. I think it dipped below $7, which was a fantastic time to buy. I told you guys to keep buying, keep buying, keep buying, keep buying. If you've done your due diligence and you believe in OMG, it shot up. It's making a run towards $9. And to give you a little background, OMG has been up to, I think it topped out around $15. So it's got plenty of room to even double just to get back to where it was in August. So there's a lot of room for growth for OMG. Good project. So keep your eye out on OMG. Again, it's just green, guys. If you bought when the things look tough, then you're doing pretty well. I mean, there's a lot of 10 to 20% gains here in the market, which is fantastic. So BlockNet is the second one that's down. I'll go over, let's see. MCAP is down. and then ATB coin is down. So everything else is pretty much up, which is expected, guys. If you're new to cryptocurrencies and you're following cryptocurrencies, it's highly, highly, highly volatile. But I'll say it, and anybody you listen to will say it, is when Bitcoin's up and alts are down, it's a good time to buy alts. Okay, so jump into alts. Probably not a good time to get in when things are up over 10% because there might be a little bit of a correction. But cryptocurrencies are crazy, so always keep your eye on them, and you never know. So let's get to this big news that I have, especially for you guys, the subscribers of this channel, to do some research on. I'm going to be watching this over the next 24 hours, and it probably will go a little bit further than that. So let's say 48 hours. We should know for sure about this news. So yesterday, I am in a group of crypto collectors and traders, and we just kind of chat back and forth to talk about things that are coming out, things that are new, ICOs we like, and just kind of talk about the market on a daily basis. And our group received a text from one of the original members of the group that said, "Hey guys, I just wanted to share this with you." And I'm going to read this exactly how he put it. Okay, so I don't miss anything. "Hey guys, got this text from a buddy in Silicon Valley. Just an FYI. I believe an Amazon shareholders earnings call for quarter 3 of 2017 is taking place October 26th, 2017 at 2:30 Pacific time. Some people think that they may announce that they have plans to start beginning to accept BTC as a form of payment on Amazon." I'm going to let that sit with you for a second. Amazon may accept BTC, Bitcoin, as a form of payment on the largest e-commerce website in the world. Now, this is pure heard it from a friend. Okay? But this is something that you guys, especially with Bitcoin being down 2%, good time to get in, you might want to keep your eye on. Because if this announcement is true, the price of Bitcoin is going to explode. So I wanted to bring that news to you guys. If you have heard this, make a comment below. If you haven't heard this, let me know what you think. Do you think that's a possibility? Do you think that Amazon would accept BTC as a form of payment on their site? And also, what would you predict if Amazon made a news release saying that they were going to accept BTC as a form of payment? Where do you think Bitcoin would go? So I hope this news is great for you. I hope you've enjoyed listening to this breaking news that the Crypto Buyer podcast is bringing to you. If you like the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below. I always appreciate you guys listening. It means a lot to me. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I try to bring you guys something new on a regular basis, and this is pretty exciting stuff, guys. So until next time, this is a Crypto Buyer podcast. We will see you tomorrow.